Hi guys, my name is Simon. Today we are gonna make some seaweed rolls. I saw this from Instagram, so maybe I could give it a try. So let's go! Peel one medium carrot. Mamma mia, it's not easy. Grate the carrot. Chop some green and red onions. Guys, I think the audio made me cry. Now let's mix all our ingredients. This is actually a healthy snacks or baon. Ask help from mom. Add flour. Put the fillings in the sandwich plastic bag and spread it on the seaweed wrapper. Brush a mixture of flour and pasting on seaweed wrapper, then roll. Just brush and roll. Cut this into smaller pieces. Dip in a mixture of cornstarch and water to make it crispy. It's time for tasting, guys. It tastes really good. Yum! 2 seconds later.